It's very important for residents to be proud of the area they live in because it has a direct bearing on their quality of life. It will affect the way they and their neighbours and visitors to their neighbourhood start perceiving their area. It may enhance property values, it may enhance the way people behave and act within the neighbourhood, and the spaces around buildings are probably the first impression that anybody gets of an area and a neighbourhood.
I hope that all the problems that surround this space, which is a lovely park, but it's got horrendous antisocial behaviour at night, the noise, drug dealing, I just hope we can finally get to grips with this and feel like something will change.
I hope something's done about this park facing my flat. Not only me, it's for my neighbours who live on the ground floor. We've been harassment by the youths who come outside our door from the park, and we like high railings.
Well, Space Shaper is effectively a tool that enables a dialogue between disparate groups of stakeholders to look with fresh eyes at open spaces and look at the qualities of those open spaces through discussion and a questionnaire, which is effectively can be applied to any kind of space.
Working with residents for Tower Hamlets Homes is the core of our business. We're for residents, we put residents at the heart of everything we do. Without working with residents, we're never going to produce the quality of organisation that we want to be, and also the quality of services that residents quite rightly demand.
The method was developed out of what was called the Design Quality Indicator, which was developed for architects' use primarily, to test the quality of buildings and to compare the results of user perceptions with those of the designers and the managers and the developers of buildings.
The plans for today were bringing service providers, us, people that manage the area and are responsible for its maintenance and properly making the decisions, getting them together with residents and people that live there and looking at the space together and getting each other in the same room, having proper adult discussions about what the issues are and what the solutions are. And that's worked really well. We had a fantastic resident turnout, real good range of diversity, good strong staff contingent, and I think we've both really learnt some things.
I think it's very good to have the time when some of the top managers can hear what residents feel and the experience of their everyday life. And without it just being, there's often, that the estate officer is really good, but obviously he reports to his manager and then it goes further up, and then you never get to talk to the person who really makes the decisions. So it's very useful from that point of view. We feel like we had a lot of meetings, so we hope that this will break through, if you like, and that things will really start to happen.
I think, again, we talk about things in offices too much without seeing it. Residents talk about them in a group, we talk about it in a separate group. We're actually together on site, looking at the problems and the issues and coming to some joint solutions.
This method is unique because it pulls disparate stakeholders together and looks at spaces through several sets of eyes simultaneously and gets a dialogue going about the issues surrounding that.